English A1/A2. Talking about your favorite music. Lesson by Babel Busta's YouTube channel.
Do you like music, Anne?
Yes, I love music.
What kind do you like?
I like pop songs.
Pop is nice.
It is easy to sing.
I like rock more.
Rock is loud.
Yes, but it feels strong.
Sometimes I like strong songs too.
Do you listen every day?
Almost every day.
I listen on the bus.
I listen at home.
Music helps me relax.
It helps me too.
What is your favorite singer?
I like Dua Lipa.
Oh, she has great songs.
Yes, her voice is nice.
My favorite band is Coldplay.
I know them.
Their songs feel calm.
Some songs feel sad.
Sad songs can be good.
Yes, when I feel tired.
Do you dance to music?
Only at home.
I dance badly.
Me too.
But it is fun.
Yes, fun is enough.
Do you like old songs?
Some old songs are great.
I like some old rock songs.
My mother likes old music.
Does she play it often?
Yes, in the kitchen.
That sounds nice.
It feels warm and happy.
Do you use headphones?
Yes, every day.
I use them at work.
Do they help you focus?
Yes, a lot.
Music can block noise.
That is true.
What song do you know well?
I know Shape of You.
I know that one too.
It is easy to remember.
The beat is catchy.
Do you ever sing alone?
Yes, in my room.
I sing in the shower.
That is very common.
I think so.
Do you like slow songs?
Sometimes at night.
Slow songs feel soft.
Yes, and a little sad.
Sad is not always bad.
No, sometimes it feels honest.
I agree.
Do you know any Korean songs?
Yes, I know a few.
My sister likes them.
Many people like them now.
The videos are colorful.
Yes, very bright.
Do you buy music?
Not often.
I use a music app.
Me too.
It is easy and fast.
And there are many songs.
Do you make playlists?
Yes, I make many.
What is in your happy playlist?
Fast pop songs.
What about your sad playlist?
Soft songs and piano music.
I have a driving playlist.
What songs are on it?
Loud songs with a strong beat.
That sounds good for driving.
It keeps me awake.
That is important.
Do you like live music?
Yes, very much.
I went to one concert.
Was it fun?
Yes, but it was crowded.
Crowded places can be hard.
True, but the music was great.
That is the best part.
I want to go again.
Who would you like to see?
Maybe Coldplay.
That would be nice.
What about you?
I want to see my favorite singer.
You would sing along, I think.
Of course.
I would too.
Do you ever listen to jazz?
All in all.
I like jazz at night.
It feels smooth.
Yes, smooth and quiet.
My father likes jazz.
Does he play it at home?
Yes, on Sunday mornings.
That sounds peaceful.
Do you like music in shops?
Sometimes.
I do not always like it.
Why not?
It can be too loud.
Yes, loud music can be tiring.
Especially when I am shopping.
I understand that.
Do you ever hear a song and feel happy?
Yes, very often.
One song can change my mood.
Mine too.
That is why music is special.
I think so too.
What song do you play first in the morning?
A soft pop song.
I play something faster.
You need energy.
Yes, I need help waking up.
Music is better than coffee sometimes.
Maybe, but coffee is strong.
And music is kinder.
That is a good point.
Do you like singing in a group?
Only a little.
I like it more.
I worry about my voice.
Most people do.
Do you have a favorite music app?
I use one simple app.
Me too.
Simple is best.
Yes, I do not want too many buttons.
Same here.
Do you share songs with friends?
Yes, often.
I sent one song yesterday.
Did your friend like it?
Yes, she loved it.
That feels nice.
It is like giving a small gift.
I like that idea.
Do you ever get tired of a song?
Yes, if I hear it too much.
Me too.
Then I stop for a while.
And later it sounds new again.
Exactly.
What music do you study with?
Soft instrumental music.
Though singing?
No, singing distracts me.
I understand.
Words can pull my attention away.
I need quiet for reading.
But music for cleaning.
Yes, always.
Cleaning is easy with songs.
Much easier.
Do you know any songs in English?
Many.
Which one do you like most?
Let it be.
That is a classic.
The words are simple and calm.
I like that kind of song.
Me too.
Do you listen with friends or alone?
5.
I like alone time for music.
Sometimes I do too.
Then you can really feel the song.
Yes, no noise, no talking.
Just the music.
That is enough.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out the rest of our channel. We have over 1,000 videos waiting for you. And if you want to stay updated, consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps us keep making content like this.